What's up everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we are doing our first ever site review. It's going to be a new style of content for different sites we go to and play at, as well as all the other new ones that we're going to be attending over the next couple of years. So joining us today we've got Daryl rocking his VMP, Kyle is rocking his HPA High Capper, and I'm rocking my VFC MP7. We're also joined with the Kentish Airsoft guys. They've been playing with us recently quite a lot. And obviously this is from a bit of footage a few weeks ago. Either way, how was the site review going to work? So what we're going to do is we're going to break down the site that we're at and split it into 5 different sections. We've got game modes, site build, marshals, amenities and USP. Game modes is obviously going to be the variety of games that we play. The site build is essentially how is it built, anything that's really cool that stands out. You've then got how are the marshals, the game briefings, everything along the lines of that. Then backed up with amenities, so are you shitting in a bucket or have you got decent toilets, as well as what's around, and also taking into account do they have on-site food, on-site tech, shops, etc. And then USP for any unique things that a site provides, and they'll score extra points for that. And all of these are scored out of 4. You'll then get a total score, and that's what we're going to run it. Obviously, as you've probably worked out, it's going to be built off maybe 1 or 2 days at a site, especially if we're travelling further. Some of them might be off a single impression, so don't take what we're saying as gospel. Do go out and check those sites out. It's something I'd always want to call out at the very beginning. This is just our opinion and our feedback.
Oh, good shot! Oh. Oh, yeah. Sorry, come on. Jeez. Oh. Hey! Yep. Oh, that's you!
How the formatting's going to work, as you can see, we're going to mix it up with some cool content and be able to talk through opinions and reasons as to why things are being scored the way they are. At the end, we'll sit together and kind of give a breakdown on every single little piece. Either way, do enjoy the content that's coming up, because we really enjoy playing together. This game mode is a point where myself, Kyle and Daryl all got to play on the same team for once, and within it we need to go and capture some plate carriers.
Round starts in 3, 2, 1.
One's left. Hit. I'm counting down.
Sorry.
3, 4, 5. Hit.
Hit. Good job.
3, 4.
Hit. Everybody go away!
3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Got the vest. Got the vest back.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, good shot!
Good shot, mate. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Carl, did you trade?
Yep.
Oh, that was.
I can't believe you've done this.
To be fair, there's no need for us to push.
Oh, you went for it. Is it?
Oh.
Oh, good shot!
You good? Oh, Dennis. You good?
Put my finger
Oh,
on. He said sorry.
Hit! Cover.
Five minutes left, guys. 5 minutes left. Keep pushing.
Fucking it!
I spent the last 10 minutes looking for it.
Oh, nice play.
I'm looking for it. Where is it? It's not in
They're in this. It's in our sport.
We got it. Oh,
Yeah.
oh good shot.
Hit. Oh.
Hit! 5.
4, 5.
Danger close. Stay close.
Lots of smoke.
Knife, knife, knife.
Nice knife.
Knife in now.
On that corner. Yeah, right.
I'm not shot that time.
You want to die?
Not really.
Oh.
Oh, I hit.
I felt bad, I didn't want to pap him. Man, that's funny.
On your ring.
Yep.
Long.
Sounds like going long.
That follows actually. You're fucking shot. Oh, shot the man. Stay back on the cross.
Oh, sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, bastard.
Did you pull the trigger?
No.
Oh, good.
I get this far every time. I'm knackered.
Oh shit, no, stay, I'll take. Okay. I just saw the glimpse of black, man.
Yeah, nice one, Matt.
That was a small angle. Down low. Hit.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, hit!
I try not to shoot you.
4, 5.
Good call, Kyle. Good call. Oh, he's right in that back corner again.
Oh, I hit! Oh. Oh.
As you can see, a well fought game there. The next mode we're going on to is what really makes this whole site special, and it's the use of using the targets on the walls in a switchback style, basically trying to make it the colour you need.
Stabby, stabby.
Good shot.
Oh.
Go fine. Oh, sorry.
Ready, first?
Sorry.
Move it across.
Coming in for the middle, Marshall coming in for the middle. What's you get?
Huh?
You get?
Well, I keep getting ricocheted in the tip. Wait, don't do
Shot!
Oh, fucking Kyle!
Oh, good shot.
Yeah, you're making free.
Ah! Ah, my bum! Dead man! That ricochet. Oh! Good shot, good man! Oh, good shot! Oh, good shot, oh man! Dead man! Oh.
So that's a bit of content from Appocolypse CQB. Now getting on to the review. One thing I will call out, this is obviously quite a new site and they're still working through some things. They're also still building an entire top section. But I wanted to see how the first site review went and what a great candidate. So to get on with the scoring, starting with game modes, we gave that a 3 out of 4. The game modes are always intense and really enjoyable, but also the turnaround between each game is very quick. Yes, sometimes some of the game modes can be a little bit repetitive as you're just switching sides, but we found every time that we switched sides or switched players, it really did change how the game played. Second of all, we've gone to site build. Now, site build for us is, the site is built really well. It is across a very a single floor, as you can see most of the time. However, they are building up a second story. Everything's made of solid wood. You've got no little keyhole shooting incidents or issues, and overall, yeah, the painting stuff looks really good. Final bit to call out about the site build is there's some really cool lighting, just unfortunately some of it seems to be in quite unadvantageous positions and really give away your shadows when you're trying to push a doorway and almost makes it impossible. Again, the site's so new, they are taking on feedback and developing and editing that as we go through. So, marshals, we gave them a 2. Now, Reason for that is actually the marshals themselves, all lovely, really lovely people. Had great conversations and banter with them, and the fact we got them to come play with us at some point as well was really fun and enjoyable. We did find there was a little bit of inexperience when it came to some of the cheaters that some of the guys played with. I wasn't there for that day, but there was a little bit not as assertive as probably hoped or wanted for, especially with the use of the camera system. If you spot someone cheating, we feel it's probably a bit easier to deal with that. However, that's all feedback that the guys are going to work on and build on, so I wouldn't think into that too much. Secondly, the use of the microphone throughout the game can be a bit off-putting, although I will make a massive call out to the guys in there, because I did get winded at one point, was laying on the floor, and they did call over and go, "Are you okay?" So really appreciate that. Moving on to amenities, well, you'll see that there's a shop downstairs. Has a lot of different kit and equipment on it, whether that's rifles, and they do have also some spares, but also BBs and all of the other good stuff that you'd want. There's also plumbed in male and female toilets, which is obviously a bonus. No one really wants to shit in a bucket. And there are shops local. You've got a Greggs and a Lidl and a Home Bargain should you want a bunch of sweets real close, so you can just go over to grab that. Finally, the USP. Now, the USP, we've given it a maximum score. Part of that is the electronic targeting system. It is really fun to use and really allows you to dynamically change the games up. They've also got some really cool lighting, which again allows for the game mode to either be in the dark or in the light. Obviously, most of the content you've seen from us is in the light, and that's just due to our camera struggling. But if you do want to see some dark mode, go and check out the boys at Kentish Airsoft. You've also got the other big factor, that the site is inside, so whether it's raining, snowing or whatever, you're able to go and play. Whether it's hot or cold, there's aircon for when it's hot, and you've also got heating obviously when it's cold, so gas guns and stuff don't have any issues of running. Finally, we'd give that a score of 13, which actually seems like a really positive score. The guys are doing such a great job, and I'm so excited to see the different iterations that this site goes on to. If it's something you want to see once they've done some changes and some more evolution and spent some more time there, then we'll go back and do another one. And I think that's the beauty of this idea of doing the site reviews. We've all been playing Airsoft for a fair few years now. We've only obviously started filming for a small amount, but we've all played at a fair few different sites, and what we want to do is be able to bring our opinions over. Maybe the site owners see this and be able to make some changes, but really have loved playing at Appocolypse CQB. And if you've brand new to Airsoft and want to try a CQB site, this site will really teach you very quickly. So that is our first breakdown of a site review, so please do let us know what you think about the format, and if there's any sites you really want us to go and have a look at. We're going to continue to explore all of the sites that we have access to, and those far and beyond. If you have made it this far into the video, a massive thank you, so please do like, comment, rate, subscribe as well, as all of the feedback and comments really does go a long way. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop your comments below, and we'll see you next time.